Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you the easiest way to clean a blender. This will be a simple life hack tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, as you can see, I have a blender right here, and this is a life hack that I saw and I tried out and it worked really, really well, so I wanted to share it with you in this video. Now, the beauty of a blender is the fact that when you turn it on, when you're ready to actually blend something, just like that, it actually is going to be doing the work for you. So instead of you having to scrub this for a while, the blender is going to do the work for you. And if you're talking about cleaning it from regular stuff, not a big deal. But if you have some dried up stuff in here that you want to clean, this is a very, very beneficial method. So obviously you want to pop off the top, okay? Then what you're going to do is put a little bit of water inside of the blender at first. Ooh, yeah, there we go. I can do it like that. So you want to get some water inside of the blender first. Then you want to get a little bit of soap, and you really don't need a lot. Just a little bit of soap, pretty much similar amount to what you would regularly be using it for, okay? Then you want to fill it up with more water. You're going to once again fill it up with more water. Get a good amount of water in there. And I bet you can figure out what's going to happen next. So you want to get a good amount of water in there. The more water that you get, the better off that it's going to be, okay? Let's go ahead, take that out. Now with the soap and water, what you're going to do is you're going to put it on there, okay? I know what you're thinking. Yeah, I didn't put the cap on yet. Make sure you put the cap on. If the cap is not on, this will be a disaster, okay? Get the cap on. Now, there's soap and water in here. We're imagining that this is really dirty. You're going to turn that blender on. Okay? What it's actually doing is it's cleaning it for you. Now, the vast majority of the dirty stuff, the stuff that's hard to get out, is going to be towards the bottom of the blender. So that's essentially why it's going to do the work for you, because you might have to just run your cloth along the top. Probably not, to be honest with you. This should take it out anyways. But, you know, the vast majority of the stuff that's going to be hard to take out is on the bottom. So essentially, when you turn the blender on, and I like to alternate between low speeds and high speeds, just because it allows, like, a low speed will make the water mix more, and the high speed is going to do more of the scrubbing. So I'll put it on low speed, then we'll go high speed. Like, it's gonna, if you put a little bit more water, you get all the way to the top, okay? Turn the blender off. What you want to do is then take off the blender actual container, okay? You want to empty it out, and then at this point you could just rinse it. So at this point, I would just turn this on. I mean, I should have probably done this in a kitchen sink as opposed to a bathroom sink, but at this point, you just rinse it. In a kitchen sink, this would probably take about 1.5 seconds. Since we're in a bathroom sink, it's a bit harder to do. But this is an awesome, incredible, easy way to rinse and clean a blender. And this is going to get rid of stuff that you can't regularly get rid of. Because at the end of the day, you can scrub it, and you're going to be able to get rid of a good amount of stuff, but we cannot compete by hand scrubbing with the power that we can get from turning the blender on. So like I said, make sure you're following the appropriate safety precautions. Do a better job of rinsing it than me, but that is the easiest way to clean a blender. It is a simple life hack tutorial. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.